ka bang alam na pwede natin gawin? Malay ko sa'yo pwede na lang yung dream manero sa'yo. Ewan ko ba sa'yo, wala kang alam dito. Seryoso, lakas mo namang mag-trip. Gusto bang mapagod kita sa buwin?
Next on Digital Tour, pinanlitaw niya yung Sunlight. Oh, Sunlight.
I just love it.
Ngayon, nilitaw ulit siya para sa website niya.
It's amazing what technology has done in connecting people together.
Kaya lumitaw ka at magdala ng palitaw.
It's great. It's just a great thing.
Para kay Kevin Litaw sa Digital Tour, this Sunday at 10:15 p.m. on Studio 23. Kabarkada mo!
Studio 23 can keep you in shape. Sabayan sa Pinagwana, she shows you how to eat and live right. What helps you to lose weight is to eat real food that is high in fiber or to take supplements together with a sensible diet. And Citizen Health, weekdays at 8 a.m. on Studio 23. Kabarkada mo!
She has the looks of a Hollywood star, the body of a supermodel, and the life of a true blue millionaire.